Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to display a store notice using the WooCommerce WordPress plugin. This is a great way to communicate important information to your customers, like shipping updates, holiday hours, or special promotions right at the top of your store. Let's get started. First, open a browser on your device and navigate to WordPress.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign into your account if you haven't already. Enter your login credentials and click Sign In to access your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your website, including your WooCommerce store settings. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. This is your control center for customizing your site. Look for the option labeled Appearance and click on it. An expanded menu will appear with several customization options. From these options, click on Customize. This will take you into the WordPress Customizer, which is a powerful tool that lets you modify your site's appearance and settings in real time. Once you're in the Customizer, you'll see a range of options on the left side of your screen. Scroll through and locate the WooCommerce section. Click on WooCommerce to access settings specifically related to your online store. This is where you can control various aspects of how your store functions and appears to visitors. Within the WooCommerce settings, you'll find an option called Store Notice. Go ahead and click on Store Notice. This will open up the Store Notice configuration panel where you can create and manage the message that will appear at the very top of your website. A text field will appear on your screen. This is where you'll type in the message you want to display to your customers. It could be anything from a promotional announcement to important information about order processing times. After entering your desired notice text, you'll see a checkbox labeled Enable Store Notice. Click this checkbox to activate your store notice. Once enabled, this message will appear prominently at the top of your store, ensuring that all visitors see it as soon as they land on your site. This is an effective way to keep your customers informed without them having to navigate through multiple pages. Once you've entered your text and enabled the notice, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Publish or Save button at the top of the Customizer panel. Your store notice is now live and visible to anyone who visits your WooCommerce store. And that's it. You've successfully set up a store notice for your WooCommerce store, making it easy to communicate key information directly to your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.